Hello, this is Jerry with Pro Solutions Plumbing. We're doing a sewer lateral inspection at address 150 Camarillo Street. So we have the camera all the way into the city in the street. We're going to start recording as we pull back into the house. So I'll go just a little bit so you can see. That's the main drain that's running water in the street. As we pull back, there is an offset on this pipe here. That could cause an issue. I just have to note it down. It's not broken, but it is an offset. This type of pipe is clay pipe. And you can see a little bit more there. It's an offset. It's offset like about, I'm gonna say about an inch. So that can potentially cause a blockage. I'm gonna start recording and pulling back more. A little bit of standing water there. That could be also due to the offset that's in the connection that we just saw earlier. This pipe is a clay pipe, so every 4 feet you're going to see a joint like this one. These joints are usually just, they have a rubber gasket and they're assembled together, just pushed in. So they tend to, slip off the rubber gasket, and then you'll see like offsets like the one that we saw on the very front connection to the city line. See, this one's another offset, very minor. It doesn't affect as we're running the camera. It doesn't catch up on that section, so it's not too concerning. The other one was a little concerning, but it is a turn. Also another minor offset. And like I said, it is normal for these lines to get offset because of the earth movement. So we got a turn there. And here we have a transition from clay to cast iron. This is the inside portion of the house. It is going to be more rough, and because the pipe is made out of cast iron, a metal pipe, so you are going to have rust, accumulation of just buildup, scale buildup, of just rust that's flaking off the pipe. It's original to the house. Definitely will recommend in the near future it's gonna need to get replaced. Because there is some areas that have a lot more buildup that has reduced the access of the water. The diameter of the pipe is like about, you know, an 80%, 85%, which is closing down due to the scale buildup. So you can see there on the side, there's some buildup. It's closing down the sewer line. This is a little bit of an extra to see. Usually the sewer lateral inspection consists of just the portion on the outside, which is from the street to the front of the building where it ties into this cast iron. So all the clay is what the original sewer lateral inspection consists, but we're doing a little bit more and recording the inside portion so you could see how the inside portion is. And you can see there, you know, there's on the left hand side, there's, you know, accumulation of just rust, food or waste that's, you know, catched up onto the pipe and eventually harden up. So on this, we're going up the vent. So we used a vent access to run the camera. There was no visible cleanouts in the bottom ground level, so we used this cleanout that's close to the backyard, which is probably like the main master bathroom that's in the back. And that's it for this inspection.